Alright guys, so this week I've been asked a personal question. I don't usually answer questions like this on this tech review channel, but I've been asked what type of sound filters I use when it comes to studio recording. So our studio is our log cabin. Thanks Tiger Sheds. And on one main wall we do have Arrow Zoom acoustic foam soundproofing pads. They do come in handy. Trust me, it does seal the noise in from the cabin, and not only that, it suppresses the noise out from the outside world somewhat. I do need to complete the rest of the cabin, but what I've actually done is I've bought this fold-away filter stand. This actually helps stop the echoing when voice recording, and it did only cost me £5 off the TEMU website. I mean, that's a pretty good bargain. I don't usually buy much off them, maybe a few earphones to test out. But yeah, it actually does come in handy. It stops the echo from our voice. It just blanket out the outside world somewhat, not fully, but it does help do a good job recording our voice pickup. Now, usually I do have a split screen in front of the microphone. This microphone is actually pretty good, so I don't really need it, and I'm not standing too close. But this is a fold-away filter stand. It does fit on top of a mounting rod, which obviously I've got a mounting stand already. It is an aftermarket one. It doesn't come with the kit. But here's what you do indeed get with the kit. Luckily enough, I did keep the box for this portable vocal booth. As mentioned, it is foldable, easy to store away, and you do get all of the fixings included. You do get a not so very detailed, but a somewhat installation guide. The outside shell to the vocal booth does have a plastic absorbent body. It does fold out fairly largely, but because of the tight shipping, those foam pyramid sound filters are somewhat squashed, and a few are even a bit damaged. But after opening the vocal booth, if you leave it for 24 hours, that foam will slightly expand and have a much more fuller shape to them. Accessory wise, we do have 2 screw head clasps, 1 mounting adapter, and a mounting rod. So basically, to assemble the portable vocal booth, if you've got a floor stand like we have, go ahead and grab it, place the mounting adapter on top of the floor stand, securing it firmly, and go ahead, pick up your recording spray screen, and using this little hole on the metal plate to the bottom, place it onto the mounting rod, grab a screw head clasp, and lock it into place, just like so. Next, we need the microphone. So what we're going to do is place this voiceover microphone with shock mount already included, and we're going to place it into the adjustable area just here on that metal plate on the bottom of the recording spray screen. We will need that mounting adapter. You got to screw that adapter into the shock mount, making sure it's nicely tight, and lastly we've got to place it within that adjustable mounting area that we previously talked about, and then simply add the screw clasp. And that's it really. The stand and vocal booth is ready, it is fully adjustable, and it's great to do voiceovers, raps, and the peace of mind that now your vocal recording has no echoing and will very much more blanket out the surrounding noise. Now that vocal booth, it does fully expand, expanding up to 27 inches. And I've got to note, I have been recording this full voiceover using the microphone and that foam filter stand in place, and nope, I've not been using any type of software. So basically I've plugged the microphone straight into my mobile phone, and now that recording spray screen, it should somewhat blanket out the nature all around us like birds, noise from the surrounding roads. But I've got to seriously note to you guys that this spray screen is obviously not a room noise silencer and will do absolutely nothing to suppress sound leakage from your voice to the outside world. In other words, if you've got a recording cabin like we have, you're going to need proper insulation and soundproofing pads, I'm afraid. So yes, that is indeed a review of the fold-away noise reduction, sound absorbing vocal booth that you can indeed buy from TEMU. Now, we have been using this for the past couple of weeks, and to be honest, it has much more improved our recording. There's less echoing, and our voice pickup sounds much more professional. But what do you guys think? Do you own one of these vocal booths? Get commenting in the comment section down below of your experience. What I'll also do is leave a link in the video description down below for you guys to check this foam filter spray screen out for yourself. Now, if this video has helped you, whether to buy this product or not, please click like on this video, share it wherever possible, but most importantly subscribe just now, bearing in mind to hit the bell notification option so you guys stay updated on our brand new uploads. Now speaking of uploads, the 2 videos showing on screen just now, but in the meantime, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.